installment is coming from one of our subscribers. His name is Joseph. He requested a mushroom soup recipe, and I think we've come with a good one today. So this installment is going to be mushroom soup. And if you please go down below and subscribe to my channel and like and share with all your friends, I really would appreciate it. Now, once your onions are cooked down to around this consistency, which probably took a good 10 minutes or so, you can add your garlic. And just stir that around till it's fragrant for about 2 minutes or so. Once you can smell the garlic, it's good to go. The mushrooms, and just stir it up a little bit. Once you get the mushrooms cooked down, and turn your heat up to high while you're cooking the mushrooms, and cook them around 15 minutes or so until they get cooked down quite a bit, actually, like this. Then it's going to be time to add a little bit of wine to deglaze the bottom of the pan. And we're going to add about a half a cup, something like that. And boy, the smell is unbelievable in here. The smell of these mushrooms cooking. Yeah, I think you're going to be really impressed when you get this. Cook the wine for about, I don't know, a couple minutes or so to try to get the wine, the mushrooms to absorb all the wine. After the wine is cooked in there for a little while, it's going to be time to add our flour. And this is going to make kind of a roux. Get that stirred in real quick. Good, and it's going to make a roux to the thickening of our soup. So we're going to cook this a little bit to get the flour flavor cooked down a little bit before we add our broth in our next step. And now we got the flour kind of combined with the mushrooms and cooked out. Now it's time to add our chicken broth or stock, whatever you may have on hand. And give that a little stirring around as well. If your soup doesn't thicken up enough, which ours didn't, you can add a little cornstarch slurry. It's equal parts liquid to equal parts cornstarch, and just add it to it. We're going to be doing that right now. And if you bring that up to a boil, it should activate it. I'm thickening that up for us. Once it thickens up a little bit, go ahead and taste it and adjust seasoning. Wow, that's good. But it does need some salt. And we're going to add pepper as well. And we're going to add about 3 pinches of salt. Add pepper as well. 4 pinches of pepper. And then mix it around again, and we're going to taste it again to make sure the seasoning is good. Okay, we're going to taste seasoning now. 100% better. That is excellent. And now, if you have a submergent, a blender, this is where you're going to take it, and we're going to blend it all up. If you don't have a submergent blender, you can use a normal blender. Just take it out and pour it back in when you're done. Okay, once you get that thing all blended up real nicely, it's time to add our heavy cream, and we're gonna add about a cup of this cream for starters and see how it looks. May add more. No, that's probably enough. And we're going to add our thyme as well. Fresh thyme. And we're going to give it a taste test again. That is delicious. We're going to plate it up for you, and we're going to give it a proper taste test as well. We got it all plated up for you here now, and the last thing I'm going to do is add some green onions, like I always do with everything I make. And we'll give her a taste test for you. That is fantastic. The mushroom flavor is so prevalent. So I do ask you to go down below and subscribe to this video, and share and like with all your friends. Y'all have a great weekend. I just had to add, this is so good. Thank you so much, Joseph, for recommending us to try this dish. It is superb. So thanks again, and if you guys have any dishes you want me to try, please leave it in the comment section, and I'll be happy to give them a shot.